first show, of course, I go by the name Christmas. This is Daily Hustle Season 2, man. We're back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and you press the notification bell. You'll be the first to get these episodes. My brother, welcome to the show.
Thank
you so much for allowing us to come here.
Sure.
But before we get into a story, man, can you please introduce yourself at home?
Thobani
yeah, man. So this is like kumabona kude wethu emakhaya and abantu abaningi sebeyakwazi. So I'm Jerry, like I just want to know 10 years back bewazi ukuthi uzoba ku TV ube star.
Yeah, no, not TV, but I know it was gonna be a successful artist.
Yeah.
Because 10 years back I was done with high school, and while I was in high school I was in a community center.
Oh, okay.
So mangiqeda khona ngihamba ngene duty ngafunda drum and production studies. I knew what was ukuthi bengizoba a successful artist because I was very passionate. And I was already creating my own work, also traveling international and everything.
Shit.
So I was 100% sure I'm gonna be a successful artist. But TV benginandawo nayo.
Theater.
Yeah.
What is your theater?
Umnandi theater corporation.
Ne?
Lento TV isipali pressure nginamsi.
So lento le uma ungatheka ngithatha kubani? Kubaba.
Hayi umuntu ngithatha keni.
Ekhaya you the first one.
Yeah. The first one qeda matric. Decide to be an artist qeda matric. Mina oqala.
Yeah.
University ngihlangana bathi ngifundile lo. Ngiyakhuluma.
Yebo kumele kukhulume.
Indlela ucabanga yena nanda ifani.
Mina ngipinde reason.
Yeah. So art came into my life besingacabanga ukuthi soba yini kansi. Because abantu bekhona ama-taxi driver, ama-driver bambele inkunzi, ama-kins nenani. And bona abantu besibona ngathi baphethe inyuku. So sicabanga ukuthi nathi we're one of them, until I saw my first theater play before ile contact center ngisho ngithi ngangikuyona ubuhlungu. Then from then the concept of my life changed. Ayike into bengiyibona ngiyona beside art.
Angitshele ngoba abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi wena futhi nomculo you are very talented when it comes to singing. Angitshele kabanzi ngendaba yakho yokucula ukuthi mhlambe yona uyithande nini iqale kanjani?
When you do theater, you do everything. You do music, you do dance.
Yeah.
You write for the theater show also. So from then, umculo be part of a young theater engineers. But I don't see myself as a recording artist for music, even though mina zingoma esingengazenza. For example, ngengoma no DJ Kira. The latest album yakhe khona ingoma engiyona. Owasibiza noLungelo Mphakazi. Who played my wife when I was still season 1. So we did a song with Utire, album yakhe. A very nice song. I also did a song with Ubaba Mfilisi Makubane.
Ngifuna ukuyizwa le. Phela leyo ndoda esizizwa le. Umculo kaBaba Mfilisi Makubane, like I can say those kind of music is classic because ungayidlalela at any time. So mina ngangajabula ukuzwa umuntu kanjalo try straight now.
Yeah, ngithi be music director was still season 1. Music omningi yokhona ku hostel bewenziwe mina noBaba Mfilisi Makubane.
Shit.
Yabo. Because even season 2 enye ngiyenze noNqobiyazi. Enye ngiyenze ngiyi-1.
Okay.
So music omningi nje.
Bewenzi wayimve. Okay, before ngifuna ukuya lapho kwi-hostel because kwi-hostel lapho kubulala la. So ngifuna before ngifika kwi-hostel kunini la ubone khona ukuthi uma break up i-TV isiphi isitori sokuqala oqala ukuset? Bekwi-hostel.
True wise man Mncube, because he knew what I didn't want TV. So after the time bengenza show eMarket Theatre ePontulikazi. athi ndoda kunama-auditions kanje uhambe i-audition ngithi futhi wahlumele izinto zakho zithi manje wazi befana nobhuti kumina yabo ngithi othi ngihambe yabo ngihambe ngekhona ngifika auditionela i-role kade khona phela isingisi ngasifunda ngesizulu so ayana nokuthi dikhonini ngifike ngi-auditione bayithanda audition yami but bathi why did you audition for idikhoni ngithi hayi ngizomala ngizakhona emnani bathi okay sure bangiqede ngihamba-ke market theatre because bekuyimini director ngi-lighting designer eshow ngi-stage manager seshow ngi-actor futhi eshow bangifika angibuzwa Thobani lo audition ngimina yathi auditionele iphi role ngathi mina auditionele idikhoni ngathi udake wenze ngamabovu
bufuna ukuthi bangakhethi
bufuna vele ungayenzi ngine-slot ngo-4 ngibuya ku-audition ngizomncuka sihambe sekhona ufunda ama-lines kamndeni angisendele i-script yena vele babepitche ngaye kuMzansi Magic is one of the actors abazobe seshowini okay sure isihambe sikhona masifika on spot basitsho basicast sishaya audition baclap izandla abantu abasemnyango kulayini bathi ukuthi sikhiphana lapha ngaphansi sikhiphana ngaphansi on spot basicast and then I fell in love with the script and the privilege of having to translate it myself.
Okay.
And to tell the stories ngiyengese-hostel ngikhulele ekhasi ngikhulele nasemakhaya
and you understand the life
ngiyazazi enkabi ukuthi ubani yini umZulu yabo so ngeke ngihlulwe into kanjalo uma ngihlulwe into kanjalo then ngifuna uvele ngiyeke i-art I'm proud of the work I did on your
story. Bro, we something else.
Especially on season 1.
Season 1,
yeah.
I'm yabona le season 2 lento kuphela vithi season 2 hayi khohlwa bro season 2 bro season 2 bro yabona season 2 lapha ngasalutha lapha ngathi season 2
so after lockdown umuntu ade silambe 7 months keep the stress
what's that okay another thing that I want to talk about is the role yakho yakuzalo was very interesting one. No, uthandana nomuntu osemdala. How was that?
Yeah, bangizulu. Ngabengisela kahle because ngathi ngicela ningisendele i-character by. Bhala abacishe babhala because babe they knew ukuthi I was gonna say no. Babhala abacishe babhala abacishe. And then ngathi ngicela ningisendele i-script.
Base.
Babhala abacishe babhala abacishe.
Bazoza kuyisiza.
Basende i-flight.
But
bafike setini. Kehla ngibuka ngisabuka la phezulu kwi-script side grabbing ubani
uKapsi yes
pushing her towards the wall and dressing it job and the time uMaMbheki icela phela idol yami njo wasemlazi ngasekhaya kubo ikasi one of intwana zakhe uMandla sashona was my best friend in high school having to come to set ngizoqaphula antwakhe I'm saying to myself at the time uma ulethu relax wasa
ngichisele wona na ngithi uzakwenza ithole comfortable
it was a great experience though it was a great experience and have to work with abantu abanjengoMaMbheki great legends backstage ngangisomntwana omncane
sonke siyibheki
so it was a great experience.
Another thing ngeke ngafunda the book oyibhalile ama monologues it's in ama monologues like
Ntulikazi yona le ngathi nganyenza market theatre
very interesting ama monologues lapho ngibona ukuthi this guy is not living in this world I'm telling you bekwenza ngala ngibhala that book
as black people we know pain.
Hey, bro, but
we know stories that are happening in our township. Each and every day when you step on set of TV, when we step on set of theatre, we remind ourselves of the stories we come from, we see every day. So Pointulikazi is inspired by many events. With teenage pregnancy, which is happening each and every day. Neshpekas nekasi nalengane ngane hlajona aw shaya wona hlajona umuntu ekasi yabo so ezusukhulu uyayibona lonto uthi wrong ingane yabantu yazala yazi ukuthi yabantu
because there's this one paragraph la ubhale khona I think umuntu oshiya umama wakhe semncane then
yeah because bengazomkhulisa kanjani umthatha wayomshiya emadwaleni
yeah
uma kuphela ubusika noma kuzongena ubusika kuba nayiphepha umoya ubalulekile
yes
so cause wengenaso isibindi sokuthatha ingane kuphose emanzini kwabeka ingane emadwaleni hoping ukuthi iphepho zizophusha ingane kuphose emanzini. The title of the play is called Ntulikazi, and Ntulikazi means July, and July in my culture is proclaimed as a cursed month because you cannot plow. Nemfuyo iyazatha iyafa.
Yes.
So therefore kunesphepho nezindlu ziyaphephuka. Somehow kama lightning aqondakala vela pusha abantu bashona. So it's a cursed month. Hence Ntulikazi, a cursed child. Because the things ukuthi impilo yakhe ijeni life jeni is cursed. Ulahle uma wakhe ukhuliswa babo ibhuna ka understand why babo wakhe kuthi kwenzakalani.
I just want to know what was going through your mind when you wrote that paragraph.
At some point I didn't write the play alone. I don't know.
Yeah.
I wrote a script and I said you have to collaborate.
Yeah.
Then you are a writer. I sent me another writer.
Yeah.
Then I presented it for PDUT Script Writing Festival. It was not a success. Was crushed down. No con man Christa Biel, a very big writer in terms of television.
Yeah.
Advisor was crushed down. Prof Tepilutke loved the script, but most play exam on Jigela now. But no, there's no one who can play 12 characters. And there's too much pain into this story. No one is training, emotional training, so it's not going to work in. And I was like, I'm gonna perform it myself.
Shit, yeah.
I'm gonna direct myself and perform this play. I performed the play as it is after we got to the crash. I won Best of Zabalaza, Best Act and Best Production, and I won a publication since I won a season at Baxter Theatre. I did sort of a national tour, performed at the Market Theatre, Joburg Theatre, State Theatre, Cape Town Film Festival, Grahamstown National Arts Festival. So it was a success, and that was something that I created by myself, not even a hand of Umtokdala or financial support whatsoever. To go for the Zabalaza Festival, we had to travel for 28 hours. With guitarist yam say Cape Town samba ngebhasi imali yakho siyithola ama donations ku Facebook
sure
and we got there film a production of 58 it's in a sort of KZN all over the country 10 municipalities gap in funding
so man fia la nenzisha
si apply ku auditions and pass must be khona accommodation nokudla khona. Yawazi ama-artist ayachoma yaphuza ini
nathi amasitholenje
indawo but first night umuntu esomngane wethu because they saw their work
ukuthi hayi
telling the story too.
So angitshele makhulu ekhaya ukhula umuntu njani?
Khulisa ugogo nomkhulu boba uthu bebeyiphuzela but ugogo yena ubephuza kakhulu wena umuntu ugogo uma bekhulume nawe efonini wangakuthuka kumele wazi ukuthi akekho right
uzombuza nje gogo u-right
yeah so cause bengumfana kagogo especially ngesikhathi ngisahlala emakhaya bengenamfana bengilamlela makuthiwa khona ngiyachaphazela yini so ngokuyazi uyavela ngizoqhathisa noma kanjani ngoba ngikhulu ngizobika kubani ukuthi ngishayile yabo so benginenkani nginenhlamba ngilwa njalo isikhaya nginasa akukho ngisho siwane sendulo
so bobo
ukuthi ema-pimples hayi
ukulwa
nje
ukuthi yazi mangidlulile ngokulwa then
ngizokuluma ngithuke
eGreece kuzokwenza something
ukujaha kwaza ngama-instrument
so
mangifika emlazi so mangisuka emakhaya uma came with i-anger ngathi ngokuthi ngcono ngihambe ngiyohlala ekhaya thinking ukuthi ngizoba nepondo nobaba wami the time ubaba beseshadile and the stepmothers must fool. So
yeah.
hlala kagogo sibaningi masiba waiting.
Shit.
Sihlala ekishini sipatshona. Uma ngifuna ingubo zokugqoka ngiyithola isinomanje. We learned to steal bicycles. Sishaye imphambi emandiyeni sibuye nemali. Up until I got to the art, of course. Well, so that was my life. But I can proudly say ukuthi till today anginamuntu wasekhaya ongazi njengengane ihlaza. Ongazi njengengane ebingakhuzengi nani nani. I'm a great example of everyone eKaslami. Because in spite of everything that was happening in my life, I was the successful one to finish matric and to go to varsity. Sikakhulukazi abantu abangangami enkolweni nabo. Even ekhaya egcekeni kwanzuza nokadloma.
You're the first one.
Oh, in spite of everything that was happening in my life, I think I'm a great inspiration in eKaslami. Nasekhaya. Yeah, because I completed my matric. I completed my degree.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
Only now, second ekhaya isiqedile matric now.
Because it's very
yeah.
Hey, so I'm telling maybe umuntu ofuna maybe ukwenza theater or acting, i-advice ongamnika wena ekhaya.
Must watch theater plays, must read theater plays, must attend workshops, must go to school. Yeah. Because we're taking art for granted. We think you can just wake up and think you're an artist. It's a profession, and all the professions that we have, they have theories, they have a basic food. Regardless what is a duty in Joam, regardless what is a TUT or after, but closing them our workshop. Gather that information.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
But then the painful part is, I've never went to a single audition. I was to a qualification. So I do still have these institutions. But in if you go with art, have the opportunity to go study, they must go for it because it's what they love.
Yeah, at least have a paper. Okay, man. Now, thank you so much for your time and also your cooperation in this interview. I do appreciate it, man.
Okay, it was about 10,000.
I sent a good 50. I'm provided on Christmas, man. This is Daily Hustle Season 2. Please subscribe, press the notification bell. We owe.